Welcome to our exploration of how collaboration works within the Medflow platform. Right now, we're looking at an innovation board that we just set up. You'll notice that it's organized into different phases. As you scroll through, you'll be able to see all the phases clearly, each accompanied by specific tracks. Where phases and tracks intersect, activities are listed. For instance, in the scoping phase under the risk management track, there's an activity to initiate the risk management plan. Clicking on this activity provides detailed information about its location and specifics. Once you dive into the activity details, you'll find its description and the steps required to complete it. There are examples, and a help description is available, offering a concise version of the details. Dependencies are also a part of this activity. It can have upstream dependencies, which are activities that must be completed beforehand, and downstream dependencies that follow once this activity is completed. We then come to the responsibilities associated with the activity and the resources linked to it. These resources might include standards, SOPs, templates, requirements, and tasks. If needed, you can edit the activity to update its name, description, help description, and specify whether it's a key activity. There's a filtering option for key activities, which are crucial tasks. If marked as key activities, you can find them easily in the board's menu. Some activities might require delivering specific documents, and you can mark them as deliverables to filter accordingly. For each activity, we have both estimated and actual values for duration, cost, headcount, risk, and due date. These metrics feed into other views like the Gantt chart and Insights view. We also see the phase and track here. It's in the scoping phase and the risk management track. Activities may have parent or child activities unless they are connected to other activities through dependencies. You can add links to this activity, either from a URL or, if you have the QMS and DMS modules enabled, link to documents uploaded within Medflow, including record and QMS folders and files. Inside the activity, you manage resources such as standards, SOPs, templates, requirements, and technical file sections. We can add this activity to a technical file section and associate it with a template to demonstrate how it looks. With templates and technical file sections associated, you can manage the activity's dependencies. The upstream dependency might be the creation of a product profile, followed by various downstream dependencies. Completing the product risk assessment to its final version is crucial, along with other tasks. You can search through activities to locate them more efficiently. Here, roles and responsibilities for the activity are outlined. You have the option to add product responsibilities based on predefined roles or new ones you create. Assigning responsibilities like an independent reviewer role can be allocated to an external entity if needed. Roles can be added, such as an independent reviewer role, which might be assigned to an external user to fulfill responsibilities related to the activity. Once everything is set up, you can close this view. Navigating back to the activity lets you see it within its phase and track, showing if it involves a template. Marking the preceding activity as complete will make this one visible in the You Are Here view for focused work. Initiating the risk management plan, for instance, is one of those activities. If the product profile is completed, subsequent activities become enabled. This progress allows for an orderly transition from one task to the next. Here is the activity we've been working on. Initialize the risk management plan. The template, Accept Process Software, indicates exactly what needs to be addressed within this task. This functionality allows specialists to pinpoint precisely where they need to concentrate their efforts. Assigned activities are clearly displayed for them. When an activity is included in a technical file section, it also appears there. The device description and specification incorporate this activity, providing a clear snapshot of how close we are to completing the technical file for certification submission. That wraps up our demo. Thank you for joining us. We invite you to schedule your personalized demo to explore how Medflow can benefit your medical device processes.